Hi everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens. We got a three box break for Anthony. And day shift, looking for some more Mega Mojo. So starting it off with the first two boxes, I'll give you 17-18 Trilogy. And then we got Moran, who will be busting a pack right afterwards. I'll just go grab you the box and let you pick wherever you want for your pack there. So we start off with a Colin White of $9.99. We got a Sergei Bobrovsky out of $9.99. We have a Sidney Crosby out of $9.99. We have a Gabriel Carlson out of $9.99. And not too bad. We got a Ice Scripts of Nikita Kucherov. Ice Scripts. Nice auto on this too. We got an Anders Bjork out of $3.99. And we have a Patrice Bergeron for the Boston Bruins out of $4.12. Sorry if I keep saying the teams there. I think I'm just so used to breaking. We get a Jake DeBrusk out of $9.99. Hope you like the Bruins. They sure like you. And on to box number 2. Okay, thanks there, Moran. We'll do that right after. Hoping for the Vegas Golden Knights. So we got a Jonathan Quick out of $9.99. And look, we got you the Vegas Knights right there. We got a Ryan Johansson. We have a Austin Matthews out of $9.99. Look, Matthews is showing up. AM in the house. And very nice, we got a Stanley Cup Champions signature pucks number 6 of 10 of Larry Robinson with the team logo on it. Larry Robinson, number 6 of 10. And a Tyler Seguin out of $4.27. And there you have it. We got a black rookie of Vadim Shepashev. First player to retire in Vegas Golden Knight history. We have a Ivan Barbashev out of $9.99. He had phenomenal potential, just very lackluster patience, I guess. Look. Another Vadim. Not Tuck, another Vadim. The powder who had to retire because he refused to play in the AHL. We used to have good talent there. So 16-17 SP Authentic. Got the Puck team logo, which wasn't too shabby there. Hopefully we can get you Matthews or a Marner, or even Line, or a patch auto would be nice. So there we go, Anthony. We have a Lori Korpikoski update. We have a Authentic Moments of Connor McDavid. We have a Victor Stahlberg update. We have a Moments of Carey Price. We have a Silver Skates of Patrick Kane. And a Silver Skates of Dylan Strome. Wow. This pack does not want to open very nicely. And it's a Young Guns, how Roman Lubomov did not want to come out. Get a season highlight of Patrick Laine. All your autos are all bulked up together. Get a Silver Skates of Patrick Kane. I think I'll probably be like right here down. So the next 4 packs might not have anything still. Get a Erik Karlsson. That's pack 1. So I'm thinking probably here I'll tilt it right there. I think it'll probably be like there down probably. Get a Silver Skates of Dylan Strome. Always like 2 of them gapped together, and then the third one will be hiding by itself. What the heck? Is that the second one of these we've hit? Give me 1 second here. I gotta go check. Yeah, it is the second McDavid Moments. 2 of them in 1 box. Uh-oh. There's your mojo. That's better than 1 McDavid insert. 2 of them. Oh, look, another Lori Korpikoski update. Rigged. Hopefully we didn't get screwed on these, so let's see what these next 2 packs have in store. And we got our first auto. We got Sonny Milano, Rookie Silent Times, 37, 199. So we got at least 1 now. And our second one, very nice. We got Jake Gensel, number 348 of 999. Nice hit there, Jake Gensel. Future Watch auto. Not too shabby there. So yeah, oh, you do have a third coming up. Can you imagine being 2 Gensels? That'd been nice. Get a Dominique Simone, 318 of 999. Oh, another Pittsburgh Penguin. And a Brendan Peary update. Nice. And final pack. Let's see if we can get an acetate our patch. No. And it's a Moments of Mr. Marian Hossa. I don't think he's played yet this year. Base. So there we have it. Not too bad on SPA.